your YouTube, search for Stukeley Meadows, watch on your big screen. Get yourself comfy, this could take a while, what a happy scene. Something new every day for your long-term memory. This is so exciting, it is nearly time for a Stukeley assembly.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to this short and sweet 60-second Stukeley assembly on Monday the 26th of October 2020. It's the first day of half term, come on! Okay, today's retrieval is, what's the name of that man who made stunt riding famous? And what year was he born in? Okay, today's challenge is, I need you to make the most delicious sandwich you've ever made and eaten in your whole life. All you need to do is make the sandwich, take a photo of it so we can see what's inside it, and then tweet it into the school account. We're going to put all those delicious sandwich pictures together and tweet them out to show what you have all done. Today's message, it's the first day of the half term. I hope you're working hard, I hope you're being kind, and I hope you've got lots of fantastic plans.